What's up, guys? It's Semi, aka Junior, coming here bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on the like button, hit the subscribe button, and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like that one, or every time we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out anything we do on this channel, because we do a lot of great things. So today we have another great product that we're going to review today. I got some new headlights from my Toyota Tacoma. It's my pickup truck, if you guys don't know. The people at Rimthin has sent me a pair of their LED lights, or high lights. It's not LED because it doesn't come with a ballast or anything like that, but it's very bright light. Okay, and these are H4s. If you guys know anything about cars, there's different sizes for the lights. These are H4 ones, and those are usually for like Honda Civics. I don't. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, my Toyota is hot because I just changed the headlights not too long ago, maybe like a month or two ago, and they are H4 headlights. Now that I remember, I was like, wait, I don't think they are, but yeah, because I did tell them my specs and they sent me the ones for the Toyota, because I figured I'm put some nice, because I have LED lights on my Honda, but they come from factory like that. My Toyota does it, so I figure if I'm gonna upgrade the headlights, the lights, might as well ask for the Toyota, because I'm like, hey, why not? So I got these what they sent me. So this is the box right here. It says the company name is called Rimthin LED. They're the ones that sent it to me. Or if you look on the side, they give you all the specs on the lights here, the QR code, not the QR code, the barcode here, the item number, all the different sizes they have available, and they checked off the one for this one, which is a A4, H4, not A4. On the back is nothing. On the other side of the front of the box, the same thing as the front. On the top, it has their name, Rimthin, brighter, safer, smarter. That's what they say. All right, and over here they give you the specs of the lighting. They give you a 1-year warranty. They're 100 watts, 50-watt bulbs. Okay, not really much to go over here. Same specs on it. The lifespan of this is about 50,000 hours. Because you know, light bulbs, they have a lifespan. Every time you turn on and off, they have a lifespan. So this has a lifespan of 50,000 hours. So you do the math on that one for your car and how much often you use your lights. But here they are. So what we're going to do is we're going to open them. After we open them, we're going to install them on my truck. But before we install them on my truck, I'm going to show you what they look like with the normal lights, how bright they are. You'll see. Once I show you that, I'll go ahead and switch them out and then show you how bright these are so you can see the difference. So we're going to go and do that. So, of course, when I install them, it's going to be at nighttime. I know right now you see it's daytime. I'm going to wait till nighttime to install them so you can see the difference. Because if I try to show you the lights in a dark area, or like in my garage, or during the daytime, you're not going to really get the full effect of it. But if I install them while we're outside, you can see from a real spec of view on real streets that you would do. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to wait till nighttime, install them, and then show you everything from how they look in different. So we're going to open it up first now. All right. Going to open up here. Take the plastic, put it aside. Boxing looks okay. We open it up. Remember, when you use bulbs, do not touch the bulb itself. You don't want to touch it because it can ruin the bulb. So when you open the bulbs, guys, it comes in a package like this. There's nothing else in here. All right. So it comes with this right here. This pamphlet here says LED lighting. And I said LED for my Honda. I do apologize. It's been a while since I even called them. Those lights on my Honda S2000 are HID. They're different. They come with a ballast on the side. And so they're HIDs. And these are LED. I do apologize for the confusion of the names. It's just I'm not thinking straight today, but it's okay. But these are LED lights compared to my HIDs. And if you want, I probably will show you what my HIDs look like on my Honda, so you can see the difference as well. But these are the bulbs here. And if you take them out, I'm going to take one out because I'm not going to need to take both of them out. This is what the light looks like. Very, very nicely built. You can see the LED on the sides, on both sides here. So your highs and lows. All right, and then this is the plug. That's an H4 plug. And this looks like the bracket for H4, and then you stick them in there and put them on. It's very, very, very simple, guys. And it has like a breather right here, so all the heat from there breathes out. Looks pretty good, and it's all, this part is not plastic, it's all metal. This is all metal. I know you can't hear it or do anything with it, but yeah, it's all metal, guys. I can feel it here. So it comes in this package here, guys. Very easy. I'm gonna put it back, and then on the pamphlet, real quick, you got directions and more information on here. Okay, it has a built-in chip for the lighting, aluminum body, so metal, yeah, power connection. No, so that's a fan. They have a heat sink and a fan, right? Where I told you that there's a little breather area. There's a heat fan in there. I don't know if you can see it right here. You see these little grills right here? There's a fan and heat sink in there to keep the lights warm. So you got more information here. You guys could take a look. It tells you how to install it. It's very easy to install. I've done this my whole life. I've done all these lighting and everything, upgrading lights and everything. So for right now, guys, that's it. I'm gonna wait till nighttime, and then once it gets night, I'll go ahead and put them on the car so you can see what I'm talking about. And we'll take it from there. I'll be back right back. All right, guys, so we're back in my car. As I told you, I'm gonna do this at night. As you see, it's dark outside, so we have to do this at night so I can show you the headlights and how they look. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this around and show you my lights off, and then we're gonna take it from there. All right, guys, so you see I'm in the front. There's some light there, but you should be able to see when I turn on the light. So this is how the light looks like when I turn it on at night and I'm driving. As you see, the difference in them. Those are normal, and these are my high beams if I want to go high beams. So yeah, so they're pretty typical lights. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything on the headlights, and then I'll show you what the two headlights look different, and then I'll show you when they're all installed and the difference. So you see how it is now. So I'll be back with the bulb, and then so you can see the difference. All right, give me 1 second. All right, guys, so you see right here we have the two headlights. This is the one that came out of my car. See the difference? This is the one, the original one, regular halogen bulb, and you see the difference between that one. Oh, almost dropped it. That one and this one. This is the LED one. That's the halogen bulb. You see the big difference in them. The light, this has actually a cooling fan and everything. So this is what it looks like. I just wanted to show you real quick what it looks like outside the car between the two bulbs, so you can see the difference. So let's go finish installing this one, and then I'll come back and show you the outcome of the headlights afterwards. All right, guys, so we're back in my car. As you see, the lights are off. This is the first time I'm gonna turn them on, so you're gonna see the difference. Let's try them on right now. Wow, look at the big difference. Look how much brighter that thing is. And the high beams are even awesome. Look at that. That's the high beams, that's the low beams. That looks crystal clear compared to the yellowish ones. Guys, this is a great setup. It almost looks like if you ever have HIDs, like the one with the ballast and everything, but less money you have to spend. This is a terrific product, guys, and I'm really happy to show you this. And if you guys are interested in this, I'm gonna leave a link down below so where you can get it, and it's awesome. So let's go ahead and give my final thoughts on this, because I think this is an awesome product added to the car. All right, guys, so you saw the transformation on my car. Look at the big difference. You saw how big of a difference it made. It's awesome. In my personal opinion, it is. You guys see it. I think it's an awesome product. Again, if you want to get this product, I'm going to leave a link down below so where you can get it and get your hands on one of these. And they have sizes for all cars. You can check them out. It's an awesome product. I'm very happy to send this to me so I can go and review it, because it looks great. It makes a huge difference. To me, little things like this makes a difference to a car, especially if you're a car enthusiast. That little thing makes a big difference into a car. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video and everything I showed it, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so at the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never, ever want to miss out. And that's it for today's video. Until next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.